This salad recipe is what I use to eat more salads. I crave this recipe because it tastes so good. It's full of delicious fresh fruits and vegetables with a homemade vegan creamy dressing. The dressing is so simple and takes 5 minutes, and you can get the full recipe in the video description. And for more free recipes like this, join my school community at plantpoweredpath.com. Okay, let's get into the recipe. Start by gathering your fruits and vegetables. For this recipe, we are going to slice up tomatoes, cucumbers, and avocado, and we will shred some carrots. Let me know in the comments which of these foods you call fruits and which ones you refer to as vegetables. Cucumbers, tomatoes, and avocado are all technically or botanically classified as fruits. What makes a fruit, you might ask? Why would a food be called a fruit? I always thought these were vegetables. Well, if the plant grew flowers and from those flowers came the food, then that food is considered a fruit. That's just in a botanical, scientific sense. But for the sake of the culinary experience in savory dishes, foods like tomatoes, cucumbers, and avocado are often and usually classified and named as vegetables. The vegetables I'll be adding to this recipe are carrots and a few varieties of greens. We'll mix spinach, purple and green lettuce, and I'll buy a box of spring mix, where of course you can go to your local farmer's market or get lettuce or greens right from your garden. After adding shredded carrots, I like to do cucumbers. I chop off the ends of the cucumbers and then I'll cut them into small slices. These are mini cucumbers and I'm cutting them into slices, but if I were using full-size cucumbers, I would cut these into quarters or cut the slices in half. Next, we'll chop our avocado. A quick tip for making sure you have a ripe avocado: make sure you feel slight softness from the outside, and the nub on top of the avocado should be slightly movable. I like to cut it in half, then scoop out each half of the avocado and chop those up into bite-sized pieces. If you're gonna wait any more than a couple hours before serving this salad, I would recommend adding some lime juice to the avocado to make sure it stays bright and green. Once we have all of our vegetables ready, other than our lettuce, we can start to make our dressing. For the dressing, I like to use a base of vegan mayonnaise. I'm using the plant-based mayo from the Best Foods brand, but you can use whatever vegan mayonnaise you'd like. You can get the full recipe in the video description and also check out the link for the free ebook to get tons of plant-based vegan recipes in your inbox. After I add the plant-based mayo, we're gonna add some capers and the juice from a capers jar. We'll add garlic powder, paprika, ground black pepper, nutritional yeast, and some lemon juice. Once we have all of our dressing ingredients, we'll go ahead and mix that up. I'll also add some breadcrumbs. I'm gonna add 2 types of breadcrumbs for the salad. I love these Just Crumbs from Kelly's brand. They're so good. You can get those at the link in the video description. They really make any salad taste amazing, but you can put any breadcrumbs that you like. You can also add in vegan cheese shreds, dried cranberries, croutons, vegan parmesan, like this Aloha Parm from Kelly's brand. And once I have all of these ingredients together, I'm gonna get my salad greens. I'm getting a box of organic salad greens, but you can go straight from the garden. You can use romaine lettuce or other types of lettuce. You can use a mixture of lettuce, spinach, and kale. But I think it's very important to chop them up into bite-sized pieces. That's gonna make it the most enjoyable. Once you have it chopped up into bite-sized pieces, add that into the salad bowl. And once we have all of our vegetables in the bowl, we'll add in our full dressing and mix it up really, really well until everything is coated with the dressing. And that's it. For more recipes like this, you can join my free community on School called the Plant Powered Path at plantpoweredpath.com and get free recipes by signing up to my email list. Let me know in the comments what else you would put into this salad. Sometimes I like to add hemp seeds or pumpkin seeds for extra protein. Sometimes I'll do some braised tofu. It really just depends on my mood. So let me know in the comments what other videos you want to see from me on this channel. Don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment, and subscribe to Vegan Sunny. And I'll see you next time.